Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Babalola Oluwatosin. In this video, I'll be sharing with you what I would do differently if I were to start my data analysis journey. I'm going to be sharing some common mistakes I made and how I would correct it if I were to start again. Okay, so the first thing I would do is I would avoid learning irrelevant things starting out. Like when I was starting out, I had to learn a lot of irrelevant things. There was a time I was so unsure of myself. I was moving from one technique to another because I was like, am I doing the right thing? Even after years in data analysis, I'm still wondering, am I doing the right thing? Should I move to another tech skill? Am I doing enough? If I were to start again, I would make sure that I get a roadmap starting out, and I'm going to follow the roadmap strictly. All right, so what is the roadmap you should follow as a data analyst that is just starting out? If you're just starting out your data analysis journey, you have no business with programming language when you are just starting out. Okay, so the software tools you're learning when you're just starting out is like Excel, SQL, Tableau, or Power BI. All right, so these three software tools are the major ones. So the programming language is a plus when you are looking for a job. Why are you starting with Python? I mean, so if while I was starting, I even learned C programming. Imagine, data analysis, C programming. Another thing I would avoid if I'm just starting out my data analysis journey is being held in the tutorial hell. Right, I don't know if I said that right. So tutorial hell is more like you keep learning, but you are so unsure of yourself when it's time for you to like sit back and then practice everything you said you've learned. Then you feel like, oh, you've not learned enough, and then you keep watching videos to keep learning. So this tutorial hell is not what you should find yourself in. And if you are in it, make sure you drag yourself out. So how can you drag yourself out of tutorial hell? Best way to learn in tech is project based. The more projects you do, the better you get. If I'm just starting out, I would make sure that after even if I have to watch tutorials, because if you're starting out, obviously you have to watch like lots and lots of tutorials. I'll make sure that after every tutorial I watch, I would not practicalize that exact project that they did in that tutorial. I'm going to get a different project entirely. I may follow the tutorial steps in creating that my new project. Do you understand? So you have to make sure that you're working on projects. Projects gets you better in the tech industry. So the last thing I'll tell you for this video is make sure you negotiate your salary very well before accepting the offer. Do not let any company talk you into, we are going to increase your salary after we see what you can do, blah blah blah. Listen to my advice. Make sure that before you accept the role, make sure the salary you negotiated with them is very good for you. Don't be in a hurry to accept the offer thinking they are going to increase your salary so soon. Do not make that mistake. All right guys, so that will be all for this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and like for more content like this. And I also post tutorial videos on my channel, so you can check out my tutorial videos, and you can drop a comment if you have any question. And bye for now.